Yo. Thanks for logging into the Mr. Show. This show is a lot about Jamaica. Jamaica. As a foreigner, meaning growing up in Canada, but a born Jamaican. I have my unique views on the amazing Jamaica. So stay locked in right here to the Mr. Show. From the NBA star Norman Powell playing for Team Jamaica down to Rappa Crappa giving some stats. It's right here, the Mr. Show. Team Jamaica, big up yourself. Let's go.
How is it possible that we've got an island nation that has got the only flag of its own kind?
Because I one thing I know.
Hold on. Very important information right there. Jamaica is the only flag that is unique to itself in the whole entire planet. Shout out to this African brother here. I watch his podcast all the time. Don't remember his name. I'll try to leave the links in the comment section below later on.
Ladies and gentlemen, how is it possible that we've got an island nation that has got the only flag of its own kind?
Because I one thing I know. For sure.
Jamaica. This one is an absolute beauty. I think this might be one of the best flags in the world.
All right. First of all, can anybody identify that guy's accent? Because I just don't want my Canadian friends also to realize, I want you guys to know that I'm a complete patriot to Canada too. Because I got all my opportunities here in Canada. I came to Canada at a young age. And I appreciate everything I got from Canada. But with that said, I'm a born Jamaican. I respect Jamaica in every aspect. As a matter of fact, I actually DJ on the side. I'm not going to talk about that. Big up on yourself. Respect.
Ladies and gentlemen, how is it possible that we've got an island nation that has got the only flag of its own kind?
Because I one thing I know. For sure.
Jamaica. This one is an absolute beauty. I think this might be one of the best flags in the world.
Jamaica is lit. Drink
my water and calm down.
It's got the lovely saltire cross with a unique colourway. Jamaica's the only flag in the world that has no red, white or blue shades in it. And there's no colonial leftovers here, there's no copying from European countries. It's original, it's unique, it's unmistakable. It is easily 10 out of 10.
Jaja see them a come, hey, but I and I a conqueror.
Yo, everything about Jamaica is absolutely amazing. Let's go.
Lit.
Drink my water and calm down.
It's got the lovely saltire cross with a unique colourway. Jamaica's the only flag in the world that has no red, white or blue shades in it. And there's no colonial leftovers here, there's no copying from European countries. It's original, it's unique, it's unmistakable. It is easily 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it looks like it even looked like the pirates flag, you know, when the pirates were in the seas back in the days. Like that flag looked like the flag that would make some people get really scared when they see the cross come in. Big up Culture, one of Jamaica's greatest groups. This is Joseph Hill Culture.
Shut up.
Okay. One tequila, big up.
Just see them a come, hey, but I and I a conqueror.
Ladies and gentlemen,
One thing I know. For sure.
we run things na run we.
Maybe stick looking at you in
We run things na run we. This is just a clear example. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not something that is just normal. There is something that people should sit down and study the minds of Jamaicans.
Drink my water and calm down. Tell the boy diss me for Sherry's down the road. I have something for them.
vice on course.
Sherry, say you ma come bout.
Because your face favor you and tear up drawers.
I just true she a idiot. Make she blood clot end up where she end up.
If saying that Jamaica's got the most unique flag, the only authentic flag, because this is the only flag that has got red, blue, and white. Many Jamaicans, they know. Whenever you say black, gold, and green, that is their flag.
Because one thing I know, for sure. If a girl like you like that, and her jump, you gonna get it. She never can hold herself for wall out.
You gotta love the fact how Jamaicans can switch from their local accent, because she sounds like she's in New York, and then them can switch back to the Jamaica accent. But it always does have like a fling, or you hear the English Jamaican accent. And here I am with my Canadian.
He needs some milk.
My Canadian Jamaican accent. So I always found that to be something unique that Jamaicans do really well. All the islands in the Caribbean, big up on ourselves still, but this is a show about the greatness of Jamaica, you know, and the whole of the Caribbean as one. Because, you know, if we stand together, unity is strength, not true? All right.
I know, for sure. If a girl like you like that, and her jump, you gonna get it. She not gonna can hold herself for wall out. See if a girl a wall out for you.
And I'm hoping one day,
Cause you know hear me say nothing. Just allow you make you do your thing.
No matter how you see she feel and go on.
I'll be able to afford to buy a place in Jamaica so that I can spend.
No man, she don't condition her mind, say you not fuck me for free.
You bastard son of a mongrel bitch.
You see, you always come with some little idiot talking like you're full of blood clot idiot.
Oh dear.
I ain't gonna lie, yeah.
That blood clot man, like you take me for fucking fool. We are dealing with now, youth.
So maybe deaf ears give liar trouble.
Tell me a little bit about Team Jamaica and how proud you are to be here doing this right now in South Florida.
Yeah, I'm super excited, super proud. We know it's a foundation, you know.
All right, so look out for Jamaica in the NBA stars that are going to be coming together for Team Jamaica this year. Shout out to Norman Powell. He was playing at the Toronto Raptors, and he did a great job. And I'm in Toronto City. Then he moved, I think, to Milwaukee. I'm not sure.
Starting back up, I'm trying to put Jamaica back on the map with these pre-qualifiers. My dad is from Kingston, Jamaica, so being able to represent and learn about that side of the family and this culture means everything.
Accuse I for things I know not about. They are coming to lock I down until I got them suspect I Jaja see them a come with the whip, but I and I a conqueror.
Yo, I had to put that in because Jamaicans are resilient, Jamaicans are strong, Jamaicans have their own music. Everything about Jamaica, man, is cool, not true? Bob Marley, what you say?
Your last record is very different from the others. Did you stop fighting?
No, but I was at home with my people, so I didn't need to be fighting no more, right? I was in the camp, and there was no war.
Hey, yo, check this out.
The reason these men not paying y'all bills like they was paying ours back in the day is because y'all don't cook him.
Yeah.
Papa had a hot plate and hot cat by the time he pulled in the car.
Protect that queen.
4 countries on the continent of Africa that are black countries.
All right, so protect that queen. Now, people, this is very important to listen to. Now, this is Rappa Krappa. Shout out to Rappa Krappa. I've been watching him online for a long time still, right?
Yeah.
So listen to this and use your mind and listen. Don't listen to reply. Listen just to understand.
There are 16 in the Caribbean that are black countries. That means out of 195 countries in the world, 70 are black countries. Yet not one of those 70 countries has a nuclear weapon. Not one has built weapons of mass destruction to threaten the world. Not one has ever invaded another land to steal, conquer, or enslave. Think about that. Our ancestors left nothing behind that the world can point to with shame. No genocide, no mass shootings, no record of crossing oceans to chain other nations. We are the children of the only race that never tried to wipe out another people. Yet look at us today. We are the most oppressed, the most exploited, the most humiliated and silenced on this earth. We are blamed for poverty caused by stolen wealth. We are told to heal from wounds that were never allowed to close. We are told to move on, to forget, to forgive. While those who enslaved us still live in the comfort built from our stolen labor. They call us violent. They call us dangerous. But we, the only race that has never unleashed war upon others, remain the most victimized on this planet. And somehow, despite centuries of chains, whips, guns, and lies, we still rise each morning. We still pray. We still smile. We still hope. We are what the United Nations has been searching for. A people of peace. Yet this world refuses to give us peace in return. And that is the saddest part of all.
Oh.